Hi third graders, we're back and now I'm looking at the 13-3 guided practice on page 687 and we're continuing to compare fractions with the same denominator. The really great thing about comparing fractions with the same denominator is that you really just need to look at the numerator, and whichever number is larger is going to be the greater fraction because it's going to be the fraction that's closer to one whole. So keep that in mind as I go through the guided practice numbers 2, 3, and 4 today. So number 2 says, which is greater, 3/4 or 2/4? Draw 1/4 strips to complete the diagram and answer the question. So I've done that, and I drew my 1 bar, and then I drew 1, 2, 3/4, and then I drew 2/4 directly below it. So I can look, and this 3/4 is closer to 1, so that tells me that 3/4 is greater than 2/4. So I'm going to put the greater than sign in my circle, so showing that 3/4 is greater than 2/4. In number 3, it has the 1, and then it has 1/8 or 2/8 and 1/8. So I want to know again which one is greater. Well, these 2/8 are closer to one whole than just 1/8. So again, 2/8 is going to be greater than 1/8. And I know that 2 is greater than 1, so that helps me confirm my answer. And finally, for number 4, we're looking at 6. And so I have my 1 bar, and then I have 3/6, and beneath that I have 5/6. So which is greater? Well, the 3/6 is smaller, and the 5/6 is closer to 1. So that tells me that 5/6 is greater than 3/6. And again, I can confirm that by looking at the numerator, and the number 5 is greater than the number 3. So you're going to be continuing to do that on this page and in your Google Forms or Quick Check today. Good luck.